Why not now? Hindi mo kailangan hintayin ang perfect timing bago magsimula. Minsan kasi sa kahintay natin nawawala yung momentum. Small consistent, kahit 10 to 15 minutes a day can create big changes over time. Hindi mo kailangan gawin lahat ngayon, just show up daily. Kahit paunti-unti, ganyan nagsisimula ang tunay na transformation. Ang mahalaga, magsimula ka. Hello po, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening wherever you are tuning in from. Ako po si Rosalie. Ako po ay dental assistant and doing side hustle on my free time. Bakit di mo rin subukan? Stop overthinking, start doing. Your future self will thank you for every step you take today. Kahit busy ka, kahit may doubts, do it anyway. Don't wait for the stars to align. Comment now kung ready ka nang gumawa ng small daily action for your goals. I'll cheer you on. Be inspired po. God bless.